To get up. Get up early. Get up at 5. To get to. Get to work early. Get home late. To start. Start work at 9 o'clock. The film starts at 12. To finish. Finish work late. My lessons finish early. To leave. Leave home at 8. The bus leaves at 7. To arrive. Arrive at the station. The train arrives at 6 o'clock. Past. What time do you get up? I get up at 10 past 7. What time does your wife get to work? She gets to work at 5 past 9. What time does the lesson finish? It finishes at 25 past 2. What time does his train arrive? It arrives at 20 past 9. To. Does he always leave the gym at 20 to 7? Yes, he does. He always leaves at that time. What time do your children usually get to school? They usually get to school at 10 to 8. What time does your school bus arrive? It arrives at 5 to 2. Do you always get up early? Yes, I do. I always get up at 25 to 5. Half past. What time does she leave the office every day? She usually leaves the office at 4:30. Do the bus drivers sometimes start work at 2:30? No, they never start work so early. What time does your son get home from school? He gets home from school at 3:30. What time does the plane arrive? It arrives at 10 to 8. What's the time? It's 20 past 9. What time is it? It's 7:30. What time do their lessons start? They start at 25 to 1. What time does Mary usually get up? She usually gets up at 6:30. She usually gets up at 6:30. What time does their train arrive? Their train arrives at 10 to 12. Their train arrives at 10 to 12. What time does the film start? The film starts at 20 past 4. The film starts at 20 past 4. What time do the children get home from school? They usually get home at 3:30. They usually get home at 3:30.